Hola, welcome to today's video. We are going to improvise through a song, Bulerías por Solea, and it's a 12 count rhythm, and we're gonna just repeat over and over the front marking step and the side marking step, but with variations with the upper body. So I use this kind of technique in all my live classes where we use it as a warm-up and to really ingrain that muscle memory of the two main marking steps that we have, that you can do everything the same at the bottom and just have a bunch of variations with the top. If you are more on the beginner side, you can just leave your hands on your hips and just try to get the feet for the front marking step and the side marking step. And if you have more experience, of course, you just dig right in. And this is just a great warm-up for your general practice, or if you just want to use it as a fun workout to dance along with me, let's do it.
'Stay La campana prima del amor. Cuando me voy a dormir,
twist, up, and twist, and up, twist, and twist. Up and down, kind of more at an angle.
La gitana que yo quiero.
And up to the side, down, and up.
La gitana que camelo. Ayer está llena de
And switch and forward,
compañera mía, alma ya está a punta de el pelo.
and forward,
Ayer está llena de compañera mía, alma ya está a punta de el
Get
pelo.
ready to end it. Ba, 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 da, da. That was a fun improv warm-up. If you want to continue dancing with me, of course I have all the videos on my YouTube channel that you can check out, but I also have some free resources in the description. And if you want more guidance, more structure, more, then I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio. It's an online membership platform with courses for new beginners all the way through advanced levels in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. And there it's all about speaking, feeling, and dancing flamenco. Speaking is about understanding the structure and the palos. Feeling is kind of figuring out how you want to feel as a dancer and also how to express yourself. And then of course dancing is all the technique, keeping it simple, and it's all wrapped up with the compás. Ole. So you can check the link below for your free 10-day trial. I'll see you next time.